Hey, welcome to the weekend. Needlebender 757 here in Boulder, Colorado with another 757 Boulder built amplifier video. Here we've got a 400 plus Toshiba Base, variable power. This is just a great amplifier. It could be used by itself or better yet as a driver. Let's take a look inside this thing. This thing's just top notch. We've got an S500 megawatt power supply in here, 40 amps, 100% duty cycle, and we've got it backed up with this big old capacitor here, which really helps on single sideband with the power surges, you know, and what's going on sideband. So that really makes the power supply not work as hard on sideband, because you have a lot more amperage draw on sideband than AM, almost double. Anyway, got nice power feed coming in here, dual power feeds on both ends of the B plus board, and just a good power feed to the competition core transformer. It's got a metal clad cap on it. Of course, this is fully biased with the latest AB biasing, thermal tracking, with the heat sinked resistor in line there. Just good parts. In the back there we've got a 10 amp made in Italy relay, Teflon SO239s. Of course, all the wire in here is Teflon except for the silicone high temperature wire, the thick ones going on the power feed. Those are fine stranded silver plated flexible silicone wires there. In the back here you may notice we've got our standard RF sniffing keying circuit down in the corner there, but we also have a couple RCA jacks there, and that's for keying with a foot pedal, or you can key with your radio. If you've got like an ICOM that's got an RCA jack in the back, you can run it directly to here, and then the radio will key it, and then you can run the other RCA jack to another amplifier if you're using this one for a driver, for simultaneous keying, you know, so everything works really smooth and great for you. It's just the best way to do it. So that's the alternate way to do things, but it'll run both ways. Good stuff in here. A great fan in here. We're running it on 2 speeds because it just has a ton of flow, and you know, sometimes you might want it a little bit quieter, or you know, it just gives you options, but it's nice to have options. The 110 volts coming in, comes in through here. It has a fuse in the back, so you have protection there. Just all kinds of good stuff here. Let's slip the lid on and we can see how this amplifier performs. Okay, there we go. We got the lid on there. Good looking box. We'll be starting out, we'll be using our striker here. And our striker, audio, doing 40 watts. And let's look at our pass-through tune on this amplifier here. And that's input reflect on the left. Audio. Absolutely flat. That's the way we like to see it. So to turn this box on, you got to switch back here. She's on. And if you look here, that switch there is the fan high. So you can go to a high or just regular on it. We also have an operate standby switch on this. So we'll go to operate here, and we'll let's take a look at our pass-through. Audio. Pass-through tune's looking real good there. Let's see what the box is doing here. Audio. Audio. 40 watts in, a little over 400 out. Audio. Working real good. Let's look over here at the birds. Audio. There you go. Working just like it should. But we can go to standby here for a second and we can turn this up a little bit. Let's see. Audio. Audio. Let's go up to about 60 watts. A lot of radios do 60 watts. Audio. Audio. There we go. 60 watts in. We'll go back to operate. And with 60 watts in. Audio. You get 470 out, so it's working real good. Let's turn the sideband on. I'll go to sideband here. Audio. Audio. Working pretty good there too. Hitting 500, settling down. Audio test. 1, 2. Audio. Working real good. Now, we'll just go back to AM for a minute. And we'll just turn this down to about halfway. Audio. Audio. And we're doing 320. We turn it down all the way. Audio. Audio. Yeah, doing about 170. So great working box, great driver, or a box by itself. Built really nice. Built with unobtainium Toshibas, brand new old stock. 757 up here in Boulder, Colorado. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great weekend. We're going to get back on that side smoking. See ya.